Hello and welcome back. So in this video we are going to automate another Excel complex task that one of our subscribers has requested us to do it for them. So in the Excel there are three sheets. We have a data sheet, then we have IT sheet, and we have finance. So we have finance department's employees listed here in the finance sheet, and the employees related to IT department are listed in the IT sheet. And in data we have sheet in A1, and in B1 we have two options, IT and finance. And the question that we have received from one of our subscribers is that, can we ask ChatGPT to write a VBA macro for us that can convert the data from this sheet to PDF and then save the PDF file for us? And they have asked us to convert any sheet that is selected from this list. There can be 10 sheets, or there can be 20, or any number of sheets, but whatever the name of the sheet is selected here, VBA macro should be able to go to that sheet, pick the data from that sheet, convert it to PDF, and save it in the same location where this Excel file is saved. So this is what we are going to do. So first of all, let's go to ChatGPT and ask the question from ChatGPT whether it can answer our query or not. So let's ask ChatGPT to write VBA macro that can look for a value in B1 reference. Okay, remember we have the selection in B1. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to write macro that can look for a value in B1 and find the sheet with the same name as the value that is in B1, and then convert the data of that sheet to PDF and save the PDF file in the same location of the Excel file. So let's press enter and give ChatGPT some time, and then ChatGPT is going to start writing the VBA code for us. So yes, it's writing convert to PDF. Let's wait for 1 or 2 seconds and then copy this code to the Excel file and then run the macro. Okay, it has finished writing the code and it's explaining the code to us, but let's not wait for the explanation. Let's copy the code from here, go to Excel, go to developer tab. First of all, if you have not inserted the module, right click on Microsoft Excel objects, go to insert the module, and you will have this blank page. Paste the code that you have copied from ChatGPT, save the file, and now let's run the macro. For running macro, you can just select the sheet name, then go to macros and run the macro. Yes, you can do it in a few ways, but I want to insert an object here. Let's insert a shape. For example, I want to insert this shape here, and then let's edit the text. Convert to PDF, convert to PDF. So this is the object. Right click again, assign macro, and select convert to PDF macro from here. Click OK. Whenever we click this shape, it will automatically run the macro for us. But let's first of all select the value from the B1 reference. If I select IT, we have 4 records in the IT sheet, and when I click this shape, it's going to run the macro for us. And when it finishes running the macro, let's go to the desktop where the Excel file is stored, and yes, we have the it.pdf file. Let's open this. Yes, we have the same data that we had in the Excel sheet. Let's close this, go to Excel again. Let me change this value from IT to finance, convert to PDF again, and when it finishes doing its job, go to desktop, and yes, we have another PDF file that is finance.pdf, and we have the finance data here. So this way we can ask ChatGPT to write VBA code for us that can convert Excel data into PDF and save the PDF files for us. We can use ChatGPT to automate any type of Excel task that we are doing in day-to-day operations. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so you can be notified whenever new videos are posted here, and also smash the like button and comment your question under this video in the comment section. Thanks for watching.